Hello friends, let us discuss solid catalyzed reaction numerical. Let us have one numerical for discussion. So this is a numerical. Here the catalytic reaction is A giving 3R. It is carried out in packed bed reactor at 3.5 atmosphere and 115 degrees centigrade. It is desired to treat 1500 mole per hour of pure A at 3.5 atmosphere to 32% conversion. The following rate concentration data is given. What we have to find? We have to find the amount of catalyst needed in the packed bed reactor. Okay, for this reaction and for this feed. Okay, and our target is to find the amount of catalyst needed for this situation. Now reaction is A giving 3R. Okay, so A giving 3R means it is a expansion kind of problem, right, where the volume of the product will be more than reactant. So this means we have to find epsilon A, fractional change in volume. How we will find that? By correlating these numerical values 3 and 1. These are the coefficients of product and reactant. Actually these are the moles of product and reactant. Okay, so epsilon A will be 3 minus 1 upon 1. So change in volume upon original volume. This will be fractional change in volume. So it will be 2. Okay, as it is a pure A, so there will be no other calculations required. Okay, now Ca0 is Pa0 upon RT and your Pa0 value is 3.5 atmosphere because A is pure. It is fed as a pure reactant. R value is 0.08206 liter atmosphere per mole per Kelvin. Temperature obviously we will convert in Kelvin. So finally we can calculate Ca0 value as 3.5 upon 0.08206 into 388. So what value we will get? Ca0 will be nearly 0.11 mole per liter. Okay. Now we want 32% conversion. So fractional change or fractional conversion will be 0.32. Your Fa0 value given is 1500 mole per hour. Okay. So these are basic calculations. Now further, as it is a packed bed reactor, so what we will assume? We will assume it as a plug flow reactor. Okay. So for plug flow reactor, this is the equation. W upon Fe0 is integration 0 to xa dxa upon minus Ra. So here 0 to 0.32 because your fractional conversion is 32% or 0.32. Fraction is always maximum one value. Is it correct? 1 represent 100%. So 32% represent 0.32. Okay. Now here we want to calculate this W. This W is nothing but weight of catalyst. Okay. So we have considered this as equation number 1. Now XA value for variable volume system, XA and CA and CA0, how they are related? They are related like this: 1 minus CA upon CA0 divided by 1 plus epsilon A CA upon CA0. You will find this equation in simple CRE1 book also, textbook also. Okay, epsilon A is 2. So your equation of XA CA CA0 will be this. Okay. Now what we will do? CA minus RA. These values we are having already with us. We have calculated CA0, right? So after substituting CA0 value, CA value and minus RA value, you will get XA for each run. This is run number 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will get these XA values. Okay, when you will change CA, when this rate will change, this XA value will also change. Okay, so what you will get? You will get 1 upon minus RA value after this. And you can relate it with XA because your equation is demanding these two rows, XA and 1 upon minus RA. As we will decide to plot a graph of 1 upon minus RA versus XA. How we have decided? So let us come on that point. Yes, this is second number slide. W upon Fa0 is integration 0 to xa. Okay, means 0 to 0.32 dxa upon minus Ra. So we will solve this RHS using application of single integration, and that is why we will plot a graph of xa versus 1 upon minus Ra, and that is why we have calculated xa value for each Ca and each minus Ra. I think you have got this point. Now after preparing this table, as this table is ready now, so xa versus 1 upon minus Ra, these two row we will use to plot a graph, and this is the graph. Yes, 1 upon minus Ra versus xa. You can plot this graph, okay, with the help of values available. And this area under curve, as it is a plug flow reactor, so we will use area under curve, okay, within 0.32 because 32% conversion is required. So we will just have a vertical dotted line from 0.32, okay, and we will have this total area calculation. So it is area under curve is 1950 mm square. Okay, so W upon F0 is your integration 0 to xa dxa upon minus Ra. How much area is it? Is 1950. We will multiply it with the scale on x-axis into scale on y-axis, and hence we will get W upon F0 value as 0.04875. Okay, so W upon F0 is 0.04875 if you multiply with Fa0, because it is already given Fa0 1500 mole per hour. So W can be found out, which is 73.125 kg. So finally we have got the value of W, that is the weight of catalyst required. Here why we have divided this 20? Because this scale on x-axis is for 20 mm. 20 mm means 2 centimeter. For each 20 mm or 2 centimeter, scale on x-axis is 0.1, and hence to find value of that area, you will multiply area multiplied by scale on x-axis into scale on y-axis. Similarly for explanation for y also, because both the scales are for 2 centimeters. Okay, so finally we have got W as 73.125. You can solve this problem of your own also, and if you have any doubt you can ask me on WhatsApp. I have given my number also, or you can have just chat in a comment box. I will explain you more. Hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.